Hey everybody, get sideways here. Today I have a Fortress disc lock. Fortress is I think a subsidiary of Master Lock, according to the package, I guess. It's stamped, looks like BQ down at the bottom down there. I'm not sure what that is, but let's see here. Here's the bitting on the key. It's not too spectacular. Let's see if I can get it in focus here today. Make sure she's locked up. I use bottom of the keyway tension on this. Let's see if I can get a good angle here. And I'm going to be using just a standard hook from Southward. Hit pin 1. Pin 2. Pin 3 is bound up. I think I just got it. And pin 4. So binding order was 1, 2, 3, 4 in that. So not too difficult, pretty easy actually. But going to be sending this out to Skull Plate here pretty soon. So hope you enjoy it, man. All right, everybody, you take care. Have a good one.